French Revolution that took place in 1789, it was started from 14 July 1789, that was the day of breaking of Bastille Jail, left a number of consequences in France. The French Revolution was such a revolution which was started by the common people. Like that, the Jacobeans and Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte, who was born in Corsica, later joined the French army as a sepoy. He was a great warrior, good commander, and brave general. So we see that due to his honesty, gallantry, and bravery, he received regular promotion, and at last he became general of French army. We see that after being a general of the French army, he became director of directorates also. And we see that after that he became an absolute monarch. While he was director of directorates, all of the four directors except him had very jealous and conflicting attitude. So he finished the directory rule and he seized all powers and took all power in his hand. Napoleon Bonaparte, who was a brave warrior, came in power just after Jacobin clubs. And we see that Jacobin club ruled for 1 year. That this 1 year goes to reign of terror. Due to his strong decision, honest and strong decision, Robespierre became very unpopular. So a tribunal decided to make him responsible for national treason, and in July 1794, Robespierre was guillotined. After his death sentence, Napoleon Bonaparte came in power. When he came in power after 1794 till 1804, he took some special measures. He introduced a number of reformations in France, and this reformation is known as Napoleonic Civil Code. Napoleonic Civil Code, also known as Napoleonic Code. Of 1804. He sent these reformations to different French occupied European countries by his army. People were so encouraged that welcomed them and said them as harbinger of liberty. Harbinger of liberty means Masiha, Azadi ka Masiha. So we see that Napoleonic Civil Code made the French army very popular, and it means Napoleon also received highness and popularity after introducing the Civil Code. These civil codes were exemption of special privileges given to the higher landers and aristocrats by birth. Second, he removed feudalism. He improved transport and communication. He removed guild restriction. He removed feudalism. He introduced a national currency and made the French language the national language also. Thus he decided to appease all sections of French society. Gradually we see that a great change came in French society. But we must know that soon Napoleon and his army became unpopular. When he became an absolute monarch, he forgot that even he was from a common family. And so that we see that he took some negative measures, like he made military service compulsory for all. He introduced new taxes on poor. He imposed new taxes on poor peasants. Next, he withdrew the decision taken by Jacobin club government, and so that the common people, the poor males who had right to vote, was taken away. And next, he also reintroduced slavery within 10 years. Thus, at last, Napoleon became unpopular also due to his some negative measures. Napoleon left a number of consequences in France and the whole world. So we see that due to his important decision, a great change came in the world history. Due to his effort, another revolutions of Europe received inspiration, so that consolidation, unification was started after the French Revolution, and thus Napoleon left himself as a milestone in the world history, so that people of the world followed his revolutionary ideology. That's all.